Okay, so this annoys the piss out of me. People can't take the time to move their baskets. They are walking with their baskets inside the store. They have things inside their baskets. They have weight inside their baskets. And now they can't take a fraction of a minute to walk over to the corral and put the baskets back. And they try to put it between the lanes like that's some sort of favor to us. And I have to try to go around an obstacle course so I can find a place to park. It is absolutely ridiculous. You think you're a good person and yet you do this? You're not. You can't muster up just a little bit of courtesy for your fellow shopper here, your fellow traveler on this planet. So I tell you what, there is a special level of hell that is just for you, reserved just for you. It is the most enormous parking lot in the universe, and it has all the shopping carts that have been left out in the lot, improperly stored in the entire world. And your job is to put everything back. Of course, the corrals will get stuffed, so you're going to have to walk them to the front door, and eventually you're going to get it done. And when you get to the millionth cart and everything is done, guess what? All the carts magically disappear from the corral in the front of the store, and they're scattered all over this enormous lot again. And you have to do it again forever. Mit die Kai racing, for crying out loud.